August wrap-up and September TBR. I read 3 books in the month of August, and my goal was 4 or 5, so I didn't do that bad. I kind of missed it by 1. That's not bad at all. The first one I read for Booktubeathon, which was the first weekend of August, and that was Maximum Ride Forever. This is the last Maximum Ride book. It's number 9 in the series, and I've been reading this series for like 5-6 years, so this was kind of a big conclusion, and yes, I have a book review up on this. The next one I read was actually the first of James Patterson's other series, Witch and Wizard, which I also read a few years ago but forgot everything about it, and this is just Witch and Wizard by James Patterson. I read this one quite fast. I want to say like 2-3 days, and then afterwards I just stopped. I started reading The Gift by James Patterson, which is the sequel to Witch and Wizard, and I got to page 237, and I didn't actually finish this, and my goal is to finish this in September. And then I also read a book called Sky Ghost Marco, the 1.5 afterlog of Sky Ghost for Alexandra and Elvin, because I also did a review of her other book, Sky Ghost, a few months ago back in May, and I don't remember quite ratings I gave for all these books, but those are the books I read in August, and now on to my September TBR, because we're all looking forward to the month of September. The first one I'm reading is Inheritance by Lisa Forbes. This is an arc. This comes out September 8th, so this will be my review. I'm going to try to read this all this weekend, and it's not big. I want to say it's like only 357 pages. Basically, this girl inherits a gift, and she can hear people's thoughts, or something like that. I believe she can hear people's thoughts, and she's known she's different, so she must have to deal with that. This publishing company sent me it, ABC Books. So yeah, thank you for that. Another one I read for another author is an ebook format. I don't have it, I just have it in a Mobi file. It's called Wick. It's basically this card game, and the card game somehow transforms society, and society gets based off this card game. And I'm like, that's really interesting, because when I think of card games, I think of poker, and could you imagine? I could imagine a society exactly like poker, and society is kind of exactly like poker because sometimes it's just literally just luck and guessing, especially if you go into the business depth into it. And now I'm getting weird. Okay, after that I want to finish up Gift by James Patterson, because I believe I have like 40 something pages left of this. And then I want to read the sequel to Cassandra Clare's Iron Trial, The Copper Gauntlet, which came out a few days ago, which I have not picked up at the store yet. And I want to read that one. That's not that too bad for this month. I can just read every weekend. That needs to be my designated reading time, every weekend. So I'm Anna, thank you for watching. Bye. Also, I have a giveaway going on until September 25th. I linked a video down below called my 100 subscriber giveaway. Basically, you just have to comment on that video, anything random. You have to like that video, and then you just have to be subscribed to my channel, and you're entered to win a free giveaway. And the prizes and the rules and all of that are going to be in that video, which is linked down below.